Hey folks, it's Doug with ITK Culinary, and today I'm gonna have another tip and trick for you. This time it's about making lasagna. Now, whenever you make lasagna, they always want you to put sauce on, put it on an even layer. Sometimes that's not as easy as one would think. I'm gonna show you a tip and trick today that will put a nice thin coating of sauce, cheese, whatever you want onto your lasagna. And it's not really even that much of a trick, but it is something that's super simple and gets sauce everywhere that you want it and nowhere where you don't want it. So I have a little bit of sauce in here. This is a lasagna pan. This is the pan that I use, so people out there, I don't need your comments. All right, so I'm gonna put the sauce into the bottom of the pan that I've lined with saran wrap. And what the plastic wrap will do is it will create a nice even layer. So once I do this, all I do now is I can put layers and layers and layers of this. So let's say I want to do 3, 4 different levels of lasagna. I'll get another sheet. I'll put it right on top. I'll put it right on top of the current layer that I have in the pan already, right? And I'll put another layer of sauce on. Now, if you want to do a 3, 4, 5 layer lasagna, that's perfectly fine because you'll just keep on building up layers. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll even pre-do a few of these sheets of sauce because when I want to go build a lasagna, people will typically use the same pan each time that they build lasagna, and it'll be perfectly fine. Once it freezes up, I can pull off each of the sheets and unpeel it and put that on top of the lasagna, and it will be absolutely corner to corner perfect for your lasagna. All right, folks, so we were talking about getting lasagna made, and if you have your lasagna pan, put plastic wrap on the bottom, and then when you pull it out, what you'll be able to do is get nice firm sheets, just like that, in your lasagna. So you have sauce everywhere that you need it, nowhere that you don't. You build layers and layers and layers of it, and this is how you get your sauce evenly spread throughout all your lasagna. All right, come back next week for another tip and trick. This is Doug, you've been served.